1, 2, 3. Alright, John, you're gonna have to eat my steak with my fingers, bro, but I hope you like it, man. What the heck? Damn, John's thick! Hey, man, what can I get you? Oh! What the heck? You're mad now, too? Get out! Oh, you guys also mad? Kobe! John, I have a question. Will you marry me? What? Oh, you want a big burger? I got you, man. This is gonna be the world's biggest burger. Oh my god! If you can fit this in your throat, I'm gonna have to talk to you after work.
Whoa, what's going on?
God damn, you ate the whole thing! Hello, man. What can I get? Ow! Oh